Hey Scott, what are you doing here on your day off?
Leah, wait, you're not filming this, are you? Ugh, sorry folks, just give me 1 second. I'm gonna be right back. Sorry about that, folks. It's Scott Muir here, the general manager down at Maple Ridge Hyundai. I apologize, Leah kind of caught me off guard there. But the whole reason I'm here today on my day off is I'm just rearranging some of the vehicles. We had a great month in August. September is only going to be better. Final model clear out event down here at Maple Ridge Hyundai. All the 2021s priced to sell. But guess what? Even the 2022s are priced to sell. Any factory order you come down the month of September, $500 off to place your factory order. Guaranteed. Folks, come on down to Maple Ridge Hyundai. We'll see you here. We sell cars.